So, hi, so we're going to do this test. 13 questions from both level of difficulty are shown. So for this to test, so in this quiz, if the first question they're given is easy one, and if they get it right, the next question is harder one. So if they keep getting it right, they keep getting harder questions, the question from harder group of questions. And if they don't get it right, then they get the next question is easy. It just alternates. So if I like to check that the question is from the correct group based on the last question they answered, I have put like message boxes to like I'll just put the question number just before it flashes on the screen. So it's for both groups. So let's just test it. This works. I should have done this earlier, but 45. Oops, I should have copied and pasted it, but anyway. Alright, pick one, let's just equal name. The first question we got is 32. It's an easy question, so let's just go into table questions. 32 is easy one, so it's the same as the one in database. 32, most likely. Alright, so let's just go and get this one. So what we're gonna do is, just gonna like test them. So we got this wrong. So the next question is 38. So the next question is 38. Next question is easy as well. It should be, it is. So next question, I know the answer for this one, A. So I'm expecting the next question should be from harder group of questions. So 10. It is indeed hard. So yeah, it works properly. It should be easy now. It is. 34 is easy, yeah. Yeah, it works properly. Alright. It is. I'm just gonna write right here as